So let me tell you the two strategies I use. So the first strategy I use in my entrepreneur business is when I make the video, I already know what I want that video to do. So I want that video to go on my website. So when people come to my website, they're going to see the video and understand how to solve the problems. I'm always trying to help people solve entrepreneur problems, solve the hurdles that they run into that are stopping them from really reaching their goals. Because a lot of times when we start our entrepreneur business, we're excited to do it. We feel great about doing it, but it's all on motivation. And when you hit those hurdles, all of a sudden your motivation starts to disappear. And then you need to be able to find solutions, not just, oh, well, you just got to keep trying. Oh, you just got to believe in yourself. Not just these sayings. You want to know, what is the action step? How do I actually get over that hurdle? So that's what my videos do. So when you go onto my website, the beauty of the website and how I use the website is I'll have some videos that are exclusive to the website, some videos that are from YouTube that are on the website, some videos that are just pure training, just exclusive training, and then I give options of, like, maybe you're running into a problem where you're really struggling to make more sales. I have some videos that I can package for a small price that you can watch, and it'll actually show you how to make more sales. So it's a great tool to use where people can come to your video, and the beautiful thing is if you're solving a problem, they can access that solution 24 hours, 7 days a week. So we call it 24/7. It's really important that it doesn't matter what time zone the person is in, they can get that solution from you, and now you become the person that they want to go to for that solution anytime. Now the other strategy I use for my entrepreneur business is